Why write the same code twice when your child class can inherit it? Well, I'm back again, and today we're taking inheritance, which is the OOP concept that lets classes reuse, extend, and customize code easily. So, first off, what is inheritance? Think of it as a DNA. Now, your parents passes their DNA to you as a child. Now, what is inheritance? In Java, a child class, aka a subclass, inherits from a parent class, aka a superclass. So, it's the same format. The child inherits from the parent. Now, you get all published slash protected methods and properties. Then next, you use the keyword extend. All right? What is a basic example of inheritance? Now, look at this code snippet. Animal class. Now, inside the animal class, we have a method for speak. Now, this method, all it does, it says animal makes a sound. It prints it to the console. Now, we are like, no, that is too vague. We need a specific animal. So instead of rewriting the class, all we need to do is inherit the animal class to a new class. So now name this class dog. Extends what? Animal. So we're extending the animal class into a dog. Now we're saying, okay, from the animal class, let's have a dog. Now all this does is for us to create a new method called void back. Now all we do is system.out blah blah dog backs. So that shows that we've extended the animal class to the dog class. But there's something I want you to notice. We say they inherit the parent method from um the they inherit the um things class from the parent class. Okay, now notice we're going to see something special right here. Now in the public class main, our public class where we can run our static function, there we see we're creating an instance object of dog and not animal, where we have new dog. Now we say d.speak. Now, how are we able to get the 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 speak from the animal class? Because of inheritance. So you see, it is inherited. Now we have d dot back, child's own method, because dog can bark because it is written in its own class. But the speak was inherited from the animal class. Now, there is something else to this, the benefits of inheritance. We could use our code again and again and again, hence code reuse, organization, scalability, and what's great with polymorphism. Hold on, we're going to learn about polymorphism, so that's coming soon. Next up is what's not inherited. Well, private fields are not inherited. So any field in which you attach the keyword private to is never inherited. For privacy's sake, the next is constructors. Your this dot whatever is never inherited to avoid messy codes. Your next one is you can override parents method to customize behavior. What does this mean? Override parents methods to customize behavior. Taking your earlier class of animal and class of dog which extends animal, let's see a new example. So the example is this: class dog extends animal. Now, for us to be able to just take override the speak function method of the initial one, then all we need to say is at override. And when we add the at override to the method, to the extend class dog extend animal, when we add the at override and we put the function below the at override, the function we want to override from the parent function, now we're able to override it in form of speak now says dog goes wolf. So instead of writing a new method, we can just override the initial one if it's no longer useful. But notice the same method name, but new behavior. So, inheritance is equal to less repetition, more structure. Next, we're jumping into polymorphism. Trust me, it's not a spare from Harry Potter. So, drop a like, subscribe, and comment. Hashtag inherit the vibes. If you're feeling the flow, okay? Now, please, you can do this in the comment section or you could do it in any social media platform and always include the link to this video so we can hit our subscriber goal of 1,000 subscribers. So, see you in polymorphism.